Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see the time and date of a message on Instagram PC. Once we are in our Instagram profile, we are going to click on the Messages category and then click on the conversation we want. After that, we move the mouse over one of the messages and we will see that some icons appear. In this case, we click on the More icon. Finally, we will see that among the information that appears, we are shown the date and time of receipt or sending of that message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.